Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious eggs using your microwave, a quick and easy method perfect for busy mornings. First, select a microwave-safe bowl or mug. It's important to lightly grease the inside of your chosen container to ensure your eggs don't stick. Then, carefully crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into your prepared dish. This simple first step sets you up for success. Now, let's add some flavor. You can add a pinch of salt and pepper or any other seasonings you enjoy to your eggs. If you prefer scrambled eggs, gently whisk them with a fork until the yolk and white are combined. For whole eggs, it's crucial to puncture the yolks with a fork. This small but important step prevents the yolks from bursting during the cooking process, ensuring a safer and cleaner microwave experience. It's time to cook. Place your dish in the microwave and cook on high for an initial 30 seconds to 1 minute. After this first interval, carefully remove the dish. If you're making scrambled eggs, give them a quick stir. For whole eggs, check their progress. Return the dish to the microwave and continue cooking in shorter 15 to 30 second increments until your eggs reach your desired level of doneness. Patience is key here. Knowing when your eggs are perfectly cooked is simple. The eggs are done when the whites are completely set and the yolks are firm or cooked to your preference. Always use oven mitts or a towel when removing the hot dish from the microwave to avoid burns. Once removed, your perfectly cooked microwave eggs are ready to be served immediately. Enjoy your quick and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.